This is a 2011 Mazda 3. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, side curtain airbags, a CD player, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, and this vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Fremont Motor is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 555 East Main Street in Lander.